folks, it's me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell your friends and buddies and all that stuff before you watch a video. This video is a Craftsman video, and it's sponsored by me, my wallet. And it's a tool review video, but I got this for one. These things are super expensive in Canada, like they're triple the price almost. The bigger ones are like 20 bucks, these are like $6, and for the price of 3 of these I can buy one in Canada, just so you know. But back to the Craftsman. I picked up these, I think they were 10 bucks each, $10-15. Do I need them? Probably not, but they are, I took them out of the package already, and they are metric. That's what they are. I bought metric ones because I have enough standard, and all these bikes are metric, so they're basically, here, I'll show you. I bought two of them. One has a, I don't know if you can see that. Why did I buy them? Because they were pretty much giving them away. And I'm always losing metric sockets, so it comes with a little wrench. I've already used them. The funny part is when I bought them, they're I kind of like these for on the go type shit. So what I like about these is you can stack them and then you can lock them together, which is supposed to be able to lock it together. Yeah, something like that. It's supposed to go, I don't know if you can see this, but they lock together on each side. Anyway, you get the point, right? You can lock them together, but the funny part is when I first got this one, the same day I took it out of the truck, I was holding them and I dropped it. And every single one of them landed in the snow and they were all missing. And I found like half of them, like, oh man, really? I lost the whole thing and I had to dry it all out and they got all soaking wet. Luckily, I had a Harbor Freight, what do you call it? What was it again? I had my Harbor Freight giant little square magnetic flashlight, and I went through the snow. I found most of them. I was missing 2 or 3. I just kept popping around and I found it. So I almost lost every piece 5 minutes after I got it home. There's that one. This one has a bigger thing. I'm not sure if I like these side opening things. They're handy for just bringing them somewhere. It's got the little screwdriver thing. It's got a couple of screwdriver bits, which are completely useless. I mean, I don't know, man. Like, these screwdriver things are just, like, you can't even get them out of here. Ugh. Okay, there we go. So yeah, it's useful, but they're not, these things are not very good. And these bits are probably the same bits that are on every single thing that I'm sure IKEA throws away that stuff. So I didn't really buy it for this. Out of a little case, mostly for the ratchets. They're cheap. But I mean, for the price, 10-15 bucks. It's basically, this thing is worth more than the whole box. And quality-wise, I don't know. This is an 80s Craftsman. For what I do, it's probably going to last 200 years. And, you know, who cares, right? So I bought that just to work on the bike. Because I don't want, sometimes I work on when I work on my three-wheeler, I work on it over there. So it's easier to bring this little thing here. It's got an extension bar. That one's got an extension bar. And just bring it over there. Like this week, it's too cold out. I'm going to bring it in here. But I got to change the battery and hook up the battery tender I bought and wire it in there. And I'm going to drive it over here, bring it in the garage, flip it up, put the new battery in, put the battery tender on it, and see if I can charge the other battery. And this does the job. If I do that in the summer, it's easier to throw all this in a bag and just bring it with you. So it's not really a thing. With that said, I think I had something else. What else was it? Oh, yeah, I already got, that was in the last video. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this week for tools. I haven't bought much else. I bought two covers for the bike. I was going to do a review on them, but like, what's the point? But then I'm like, I might do it because one's like, one's super thin and one's like big and poofy. So I'm not sure which one. With that said, it's coming along. I'm slowly doing stuff. And if you're wondering why it takes me so long to do stuff, I only do work on these things once, twice, maybe 3-4 hours a week. So it might be, you might see videos of me taking 6 months to do this. Or I should just wait a year, finish the project with all the videos, and dump all the videos on. One of those things. But anyway, Thanks for watching. This is just my little thing. Are they perfect? You know what? I like the fact that they stack, and if I remember correctly, the DeWalt ones attached to these two. The little tiny ones, if you look in the previous video, I have those DeWalt ones. They're half the size. They all lock. I have a DeWalt and the Craftsman ones, and they all stack together. Those things I use. I don't use all the bits. I use the drill bits mostly. The what do you call it? Screwed impact bits and the small. I use the small little ratchet in there all the time, and it's good for your house, home use. You know, the average person. If you're a mechanic, I don't think you're going to buy any scrap unless you're a really cheap mechanic, because most mechanics buy quality tools. These aren't exactly the greatest quality. So yeah, let me shut up now. Thanks for watching. Toodles.